Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create the resume only with canva.com. Well guys, don't worry because you can also access and create the CV through the Canva from your smartphone and so does in the PC or laptop. And here I will use my laptop to create the resume, and the field or the appearance of the menu and the options of the resume can be similar, but it might be slightly different at the same time, but has the same function. So without any further ado, and let's get into the making of the resume. So the first step you can do, you can open your browser and access the canva.com, and this is the home page, and you can start to type in the home page over here in the section. Then you can type resume and enter, and it will give you a lot of template that you can use or making the resume. For example, I have prepared the resume that I choose before from the Richard Sanchez, thank you. And actually this Richard Sanchez template also give you the format or how to create the cover letter too. So for the example, I have do the modification of mine here to become John Carter, which would like to have a job or apply for a job as the AI strategist. And as you can see, you can do the adjustment for the several detail over here. For example, about the scale, it was like this about the graphic design, and I have changed it to become several points over here, such as the AI and tech tools, and also the soft skill that she or he master on. And also you can add the language that you are master on. And this is one of the important thing that you need to add your profile over here. You don't need to give it the profile very long because maybe the HR don't really work or don't really read your full of your profile over here, but there are several things that you need to add also, the education and also the work experiences. This is the most important thing that will show you the relevance or what is the thing that is relevant with the job that you would like to apply for. Let's say this John Carter have the work experiences as the social worker, and he decided to move into the another career as the AI strategist, and he has the work experience as the prompt engineering and digital strategy in the prompt leap AI. And you can add the several detail about what you do while you have the work experience in the previous job before. And finally you can add the contact over here about your number, email, and also it will be better if you have the website to show your portfolio about your creation during in your previous work or your another creation. And you can actually also put your address here, but it is not really necessary too. And also in the second page you can add the cover letter over here and also add the signature and your name. I'm sorry, this would be John Carter. And you can put your signature here. John Carter. And after that, you can start to download this file by click this share and click download, and this Canva will suggest you to download it in the PDF format, and you can start to download it. So that's all guys, don't forget to try it by yourself into your device, and I wish you the best if you are still looking for a job, and please don't give up because I believe that you can achieve your goals. So that's all from me. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.